You guys, my hair is a awful mess. Like, I'm trying to grow it out, and for some reason, this is all I could come up with today. So this is where we're stuck. But guys, if you want to keep on watching today, we are going to what is my problem? We are going to review and use the new TATI Beauty Volume 1 Textured Neutrals palette. This thing is super, super gorgeous. And if you want to see me do a neutral glam look like I've got on my eyes right now, then keep on watching and we'll see you in just a minute. Today, we are going to start off by saying, guys, check out this mirror. Oh my goodness. This is like some high quality stuff right here. This thing is huge. This thing is huge. As if you have watched my previous videos, you will notice that I do love palettes that come with mirrors. You know, if you just want to throw it in, you don't have to make sure that you pack an extra mirror or have to use the cruddy one wherever you're going. So I do love a palette that comes with a very nice high quality mirror. So today I'm going to start off and do, I think I'm going to stick with the shades Ritual, Soothe, and Aura. We're going to do kind of like a little bit of a natural glam. We are going to use the glitters. I'm going to try my best to use every single formula in here. Let's go in and grab my Morphe X Jeffree Star JS8 brush. You're going to go into the matte shade of Soothe here. So we're going to go into this shade right here. Next, I'm going to use my Morphe M433 brush, and I'm going to dip into the sequin shade from Ritual. Okay, next I'm going to go into the shade Aura Matte, and I'm going to put this all over the lid. Oh, I'm using my Morphe M224 brush. Guys, I haven't done a neutral smoky look probably a minute. I haven't done a neutral smoky look in like a minute. And honestly, I'm kind of blown away right now. Like, these blend beautifully. Now that I have Aura and the matte laid down on my lid, I am going to take Soothe in the metallic, and I'm going to put that on top of Aura and basically stay towards the middle section. Next, I'm going to dip into the shade Aura in the metallic, and I'm going to go inside on the inner corner of my eye. So now that I got that metallic Aura all laid down on the front corners of my eyes, I am going to take my Morphe M222 brush, and I'm going to dip into the matte Ritual shade right here and a little bit of Memory. So I'm going to kind of mix these two a little bit together. I'm going to go on the outer corner of my eye right here, and then I'm going to go a little bit underneath my lash line right here. going to take the metallic shade in Ritual and go right here in the middle of my in the middle of my lash line. Now I'm going to take the metallic shade Aura again and go on the inner corner. Now to really have some fun with it, I'm going to take the glitter shade in Story, and I'm going to place that on top of the metallic Story shade right in the middle of my eye. Next, for the glitter shade, I'm going to take the glitter in Aura and go right on top of that metallic Aura in the inner corner. Now guys, I did notice a little bit of fallout with this palette, which to me is not a huge deal. It's really not. Honestly, with a lot of palettes, it's pretty normal. But if it really does bother you, use the eye guards, you know, like I did in the beginning. You know, really just kind of be careful. I will let you know that you do get a ton of color payoff with this. You get a ton of color payoff. I mean, it does not take a lot. A little goes an extremely long way. I do think in this palette, you get a really nice color story. I do really love how she really played this up. You know, you get 6 different shades in 4 different tones. I think that she really did hit it out of the park with this. I really did enjoy this. I'm going to go finish some mascara, some eyeliner, some lashes, and a couple different things off of camera. Guys, what did you think of this palette? Write me down in the comments below. Let me know what you think. I personally love this. I love how easy it was to blend. I love the color story here that she has going on. I love how they just all seamlessly blended together. I think they turned out really, really good. Guys, if you want to see me do more videos like this, subscribe down below, like this video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you so much.